Welcome to Starbeam, kids! Kids, today we are going to learn the names of insects and some fun facts about them. So, let's get started. Kids, this is bee. In Hindi, we call it madhumaki. Bees collect nectar from flowers and make honey, and they help in pollination. Kids, this is beetle. In Hindi, we call it bring. Beetles have hard wings and are often found on trees and plants. Kids, this is butterfly. In Hindi, we call it titli. Butterflies drink nectar from flowers and have beautiful, colorful wings. Kids, this is cockroach. In Hindi, we call it tilchata. Cockroaches live in dark places and come out mostly at night. Kids, this is housefly. In Hindi, we call it makhi. Flies sit on dirt and can spread diseases. Kids, this is cricket. In Hindi, we call it jingur. Crickets are known for their chirping sound at night. Kids, this is mosquito. In Hindi, we call it machar. Mosquitoes suck blood and spread diseases like dengue and malaria. Kids, this is ant. In Hindi, we call it chinti. Ants live in groups and are known for being hardworking. Kids, this is termite. In Hindi, we call it diema. Termites eat wood and damage furniture. Kids, this is sandfly. In Hindi, we call it red maki. They are very small and can cause skin diseases. Kids, this is locust. In Hindi, we call it tida. Locusts travel in large groups and can destroy crops. Kids, this is dragonfly. In Hindi, we call it vyad patang. They fly very fast and eat mosquitoes. Kids, this is moth. In Hindi, we call it patanga. Moths are attracted to light at night. Kids, this is horsefly. In Hindi, we call it goda makhi. They suck the blood of animals and sometimes humans. Kids, this is weevil. In Hindi, we call it bunga. Weevils are small insects that damage stored grains. Kids, this is bedbug. In Hindi, we call it katmal. Bedbugs hide in beds and suck human blood. Kids, this is flea. In Hindi, we call it pisu. Fleas can jump very high and suck the blood of animals. Kids, this is earwig. In Hindi, we call it kankajura. Earwigs are small insects that like damp places. Kids, this is spider. In Hindi, we call it magdi. Spiders make webs to catch their food. Kids, this is firefly. In Hindi, we call it jugnu. Fireflies glow at night and look very beautiful. So kids, today we learned the names of 20 insects and some fun facts about them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Starbeam Kids. See you in the next fun video. Bye bye.